In the world of superfoods, few have captured attention quite like chia seeds. These tiny black or white seeds, once a staple of ancient Aztec and Mayan diets, are now hailed as one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. But what's truly remarkable is how such a small seed can contribute to healing and managing various health conditions. Chia seeds are more than just trendy, they are therapeutic. They possess healing compounds that support vital systems in the body and target specific chronic conditions. Get ready to be surprised. In this video, we'll uncover the real-life conditions and diseases chia seeds can help treat or improve, and why they deserve a permanent spot in your daily diet. Now, let's dive in. 1. High blood pressure. One of the most powerful health benefits of chia seeds lies in their ability to naturally lower blood pressure. For individuals struggling with hypertension, the consistent inclusion of chia in the diet can provide a gentle, plant-based approach to cardiovascular health. This is mainly due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids and potassium. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in blood vessels, allowing smoother blood flow, while potassium helps regulate sodium levels, maintaining blood pressure balance. Over time, chronic high blood pressure damages arteries and increases the risk of stroke or heart failure. By integrating chia seeds into meals, whether in smoothies, oatmeal, or salads, people may notice improved blood pressure readings. It doesn't work like a pharmaceutical drug, but rather as a natural, daily support for a healthy cardiovascular system. 2. Type 2 diabetes. Chia seeds have emerged as a supportive food for managing blood sugar levels. The seeds form a gel-like coating when soaked in liquid due to their soluble fiber content, which significantly slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. For individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it, this is a vital function. When carbohydrates are digested slowly, blood sugar spikes are minimized. This makes chia seeds excellent for maintaining steady energy levels and insulin balance. Additionally, their fiber helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is often impaired in people with type 2 diabetes. Incorporating chia into breakfast or using them to thicken soups and desserts can subtly yet powerfully enhance glycemic control. 3. Constipation and digestive disorders. With their remarkable fiber profile, about 10 grams per ounce, chia seeds are a natural remedy for digestive sluggishness. Constipation, bloating, and irregular bowel movements are often signs of insufficient dietary fiber. Chia seeds act like a gentle broom in the digestive tract, promoting regularity and cleansing the colon without causing strain or irritation. The mucilaginous nature of soaked chia helps lubricate the intestines, making it easier to pass stool. For those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, the anti-inflammatory and hydrating properties of chia may offer some relief, especially when stress or poor diet is triggering symptoms. It's important to increase water intake alongside chia to ensure optimal digestion. 4. Obesity and weight management. Chia seeds play a quiet yet significant role in weight loss and weight management. When consumed, the seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, expanding in the stomach and creating a prolonged feeling of fullness. This natural satiety effect can help reduce overall calorie intake without the need for strict dieting. Additionally, the blend of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in chia seeds slows digestion and stabilizes hunger hormones. People who add chia to their morning routine, whether in yogurt, smoothies, or water, often notice reduced cravings and better portion control. It's not a miracle solution for weight loss, but as a long-term habit, chia seeds are an effective ally in achieving and maintaining a healthy body weight. 5. High cholesterol. Chia seeds have a beneficial effect on lipid profiles, especially LDL cholesterol, which is known as the bad cholesterol. Thanks to their fiber and omega-3 content, chia seeds can help reduce LDL levels while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. When consumed regularly, the soluble fiber binds to bile acids and cholesterol in the digestive system, helping excrete them from the body. Over time, this natural cholesterol-lowering effect can improve cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. For those already on statins or other cholesterol medications, chia can be a supportive dietary addition without side effects. 6. Inflammation and chronic pain. Many chronic diseases, from arthritis to autoimmune disorders, stem from systemic inflammation. Chia seeds contain several anti-inflammatory compounds, including alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that helps suppress the production of inflammatory cytokines. People with joint pain, muscle soreness, or chronic fatigue often report improvement after adopting an anti-inflammatory diet that includes chia. The antioxidants in chia also combat oxidative stress, another trigger for inflammation and premature aging. For athletes or those with physically demanding jobs, chia can support recovery and joint comfort. 7. Bone disorders like osteoporosis. With impressive amounts of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and protein, all vital for bone strength, chia seeds support skeletal health in profound ways. For individuals at risk of osteoporosis, especially postmenopausal women or older adults, chia offers a plant-based source of bone-building nutrients. Calcium from dairy isn't the only option. In fact, many people are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based diets, making chia an ideal alternative. Magnesium in chia enhances calcium absorption, while phosphorus supports the formation of bone tissue. Making chia pudding or adding it to baked goods can help strengthen bones from the inside out. 8. Skin disorders and premature aging. Antioxidants are essential in the fight against skin damage, and chia seeds are bursting with them. Free radicals from sun exposure, pollution, and stress can damage skin cells and accelerate aging. Chia's antioxidants, combined with their healthy fats, nourish skin from the inside, promoting elasticity and hydration. Conditions like eczema, dryness, and dull skin often respond well to nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory diets, and chia is a cornerstone of that approach. Even acne, which can be fueled by inflammation and hormonal imbalances, may be reduced with consistent chia consumption. 9. Anxiety and mood disorders. Emerging research is highlighting the role of nutrition in mental health. Magnesium, tryptophan, and omega-3 fatty acids, found in abundance in chia seeds, play critical roles in neurotransmitter regulation and mood stabilization. Tryptophan helps the body produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone, while magnesium calms the nervous system. For individuals battling mild anxiety, irritability, or low mood, adding chia seeds to the diet could offer a subtle lift in emotional resilience. While they aren't a replacement for therapy or medication, they contribute to the foundation of brain health balance. 10. Anemia and iron deficiency. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood, and chia seeds, though small, contain a respectable amount of plant-based iron. Iron deficiency anemia causes fatigue, brain fog, and shortness of breath, and is especially common among women and vegetarians. Pairing chia with vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges or strawberries enhances iron absorption and helps support healthy red blood cell production. Though not as concentrated as animal sources, the combination of iron and other supportive minerals in chia makes it a helpful addition to the diet of anyone prone to low iron levels or chronic fatigue. 11. Hormonal imbalances. Women dealing with PMS, PCOS, or menopause-related symptoms may find relief through chia seeds. The omega-3s and fiber help regulate estrogen levels and reduce hormonal swings. Additionally, the seeds support adrenal function and reduce the inflammatory responses that often accompany hormonal imbalances. Balancing blood sugar is key to hormonal health, and since chia stabilizes glucose levels, it can indirectly help bring hormones back into harmony. Many women have shared stories of improved cycles and reduced cramps after adding chia to their diets. 12. Dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Chia seeds are hydrophilic, meaning they hold large amounts of water. When soaked and consumed, they help retain hydration in the body, an important function for athletes or those living in hot climates. Additionally, the seeds contain electrolytes like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential for cellular function and preventing cramps or fatigue. People who drink chia-infused water often report better energy levels and fewer symptoms of dehydration, such as dry mouth, dizziness, or headaches. Chia seeds are a testament to the power of natural, plant-based nutrition. In an age where synthetic supplements and medications dominate, these tiny seeds offer a return to ancient, holistic healing. They don't promise miracles, but they consistently support the body in restoring balance, reducing disease risk, and enhancing overall well-being. From heart health and blood sugar to bone strength and mood balance, the conditions that chia seeds can help manage are vast and varied. Their beauty lies in their simplicity. Easy to incorporate, affordable, and nutrient-rich, chia seeds are one of nature's quiet miracles, hidden in plain sight. Whether you sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them in your smoothie, or create a pudding masterpiece, remember, you're feeding your body not just fuel, but also healing potential. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more wellness wisdom, right here every week.